What's up guys, and welcome to another vlog. My name is Claudia Walks for those who are new here. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to support Claudia Walks. And guys, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, can subscribe, take me to 10,000 subscribers. Hi, you're looking good, right? Say hi to my fans. So guys, on today's video, guys, we are going to discuss like pros and cons of visiting Africa. So for those who want to visit Kenya, Africa, make sure you watch this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about visiting Africa. And also, these views, we are going to get them from our street people. You know, I'm a street girl, so make sure hey mommy, make sure you give a comment, like this video. And hey, how are you?
Fine.
You are good.
I'm a good one.
You are a good one.
Yeah.
Today we are talking about the pros and cons of visiting Africa, like advantages and disadvantages of visiting Africa. Toka hapa kuja hapa. Advantage ama uzuri wa kuja Afrika ama ubaya wa kukuja Afrika?
Mimi ni mzaliwa.
Wewe ni mzaliwa wa Afrika?
Yeah.
Okay. He is born in Kenya and raised in Kenya. He is from Africa. What can you advise someone who wants to visit Africa?
Okay, go to Kiswahili.
Ni advice gani unaweza ambia patia mtu mwenye anataka kukuja Afrika?
Advice ile ya kuja Afrika. Afrika hapa kama Kenya ni nzuri.
Kenya is beautiful. Kenya is good country.
Good country.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sawa sawa, asante.
Yeah.
Tuko pale kwa mtandao.
Wapi mtandao?
Claudia Walks.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Sawa.
Ni sawa. Mami, si hata uonekana leo. You can see that lady is dancing, man. Streets are, guys, the streets are so amazing. And guys, hi, how are you doing?
I'm very good.
Can I sit here?
Yeah, welcome.
Oh, thank you. I have many friends here in Isili. I'm coming, okay? So, today I was just walking around exploring these beautiful streets of Isili. You know, most of people think that they call me Isili girl.
Oh, yes.
Others call me like a Jamaican girl because I love Jamaica.
You love Jamaica.
Then,
Because of widow, what?
you know Jamaica is like it's African country.
It's African.
Not only weed, but also I don't want to talk about that because you are cute. Anyway, today we are talking of pros and cons of visiting Africa.
Yeah.
Maybe, what are some of the advantages and disadvantages of visiting Africa? Maybe.
In Africa, we have our own culture, you know?
Yeah.
Like Matatu culture, that is in Kenya. Then we go dance in Nigeria, Senegal, Ivory Coast. South Africa, they have Amapiano.
Oh.
Yeah. See? In Africa, we have our own culture. There is no other, in any other what? Continent. There is no. They don't have their own culture. They use the Western.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, you want me to come? I'm coming. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so what are some of the advantages now?
Advantages.
Of visiting this
Advantages.
country? Yes.
You have free food like this one. Now I'm eating. This is a free food, man.
Free food?
Yeah.
What are these?
It's
Is it cashew nuts?
Yes, cashew nuts.
Cashew nuts?
Peanuts, yeah.
Oh, peanuts.
Yeah.
We call them jugu here in Kenya, Africa.
Jugu,
Let
yeah.
us know what you normally call
And you know
them.
the advantage of taking jugu.
Thank you.
Are they sweet?
They are good actually. Yes. So free food,
Yeah.
right? What else? The climate.
Climate is very good. It's good, it's good.
Okay. Is Africa expensive? So we are in Kenya right now.
Right now, Africa is not expensive, but now the government will have
Gen Z, you are
Gen
eating
Z.
tiagas.
Yeah, we are eating chicken here and there. But in Africa, it is cheap.
It's cheap, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. But what advice can you give someone maybe who wants to visit Africa?
An advice. Become prepared for
So maybe if someone wants to visit Africa, maybe also Kenya. Kenya is a beautiful country, right? We have beaches. We have like a national park within a city, right?
Only in Nairobi. That is why I'm telling Nairobi the capital city of Africa and one the only city with national park
inside, yeah?
Inside, yeah.
Yeah. That's so amazing, yeah? Okay, your name maybe? I forgot to ask you your name.
Okay, Mwiga Mniga. Mwiga Mniga.
Mwiga Mniga.
Yes.
I think I've seen you in YouTube, maybe.
I've seen you.
Yes.
Not that famous.
You're not that famous. You have a YouTube channel.
I have, yeah, Mwiga Mniga.
Okay.
Yeah, subscribe, follow me. Yeah.
So make sure
TikTok,
you.
Mwiga Mniga.
Oh my God.
Yeah, FB, Mwiga Mniga.
Mwiga Mniga. Hey, the name is hard to pronounce for me, but anyway, make sure you send me the spellings, eh?
Yeah.
But I think I will search it and I put the link down below. Yeah. So guys, let's keep on walking and get to know the advantages and disadvantages of visiting Africa. More so Kenya, because I'm Kenya, right?
Gen Z from Kenya. That is the slogan now.
Gen Z. Yeah, thank you so much for your time. Yes. Now let's go to oh man.
Yes.
You have lost. Kiswahili umepotea sana.
Lakini kidogo najua Kiswahili.
Unajua kidogo Kiswahili na Kiingereza? Do you know English?
Small.
You are from which country?
Ethiopia.
We are from Ethiopia. We are from Ethiopia. Now, what are some of the advantages and disadvantages of visiting Africa? Sasa advantage ni nini kwa Kiswahili shwali?
Faida.
Bwana uzuri wa
Ni ushauri gani unaweza patia mtu yoyote yule mwenye anataka kuvisit Africa?
Anasema nini?
Swahili is hard, maybe translation is an Ethiopian. But anyway, talk to them with your language.
Language.
Yes. Mbili. Ongea sasa.
Oromo.
Ehe.
Okay, Afan Oromo ka Juru Nairobi nano isili. Intel Nairobi maka jina yako nani?
Claudia Walk. Claudia Walk.
Claudia was wajijera. Akas. Kajuru Nairobi isili nano isili Royal Wall. Okay.
That's all. Okay, thank you so much for the first time meeting an Ethiopian guy in these streets of Nairobi, Kenya. I'm telling you, Nairobi, Kenya belongs to everyone. And we have this... Why are you so shy? Say, I just say hi. Why are you running? Okay.
Oromo leta mia.
We are back.
Oromo.
Hey bro, how are you doing? How are you?
I'm good.
I'm Claudia Walks, eh? What's your name?
My name is Madi Shamal. Everyone, when you want to know me more about me, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Madi Shamal.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel? Oh, what do you do in that YouTube channel?
I'm an artist.
You are an artist?
I'm a rapper.
You are a rapper?
Also, I'm a content creator.
You are a content creator. Which kind of content do you normally create? Think like a movie. Movie?
Yes.
Okay. Do you, are you an artist?
Yes, I'm an artist.
Okay, you have your own song?
I have my own songs, like 7, 8.
Okay, now, since you're an artist, I love singing, I love music. Now, can you bring us up? Can you sing for us?
Okay. Check sija make sija penetrate amenifanya na mara. So sio kuna mwingine wa kufanya sio wewe lakini ninakampa ninakukwamia out of 10 nakupa baba.
Volume. Hey, it's flowing.
Okay. If
it's
you want more information, just
no, just sing for me again, please. It's flowing, you know. You know. Yes, let's start again. Hey, my God, you have a nice voice. Okay, now can you introduce yourself again? Tell them your YouTube channel.
Okay, my YouTube channel is Madisha Miles there.
Madi?
Madisha Miles.
Madisha Miles.
Madisha Miles. That's M-A-D-I-S-H. Miles. That's M-I-L-E-S.
Okay, you guys, make sure you subscribe to Madisha Miles. He has an amazing YouTube channel. Actually, we are bumped into each other in these amazing streets. And also make sure you subscribe to come. Also, I met another YouTuber. You can also introduce yourself once again.
Yeah, I'm Muiga Mniga. Follow me, subscribe. Muiga Mniga. YouTube, FB, TikTok, everywhere.
Yeah. So thank you so much, you guys. We will be interacting, learn each other as the time goes. I normally come into these streets a lot. And guys, the more I keep on coming here, the more I'm getting new friends. So make sure you subscribe to their YouTube channels. I'll put their link down below. So let's keep on working, guys. Thank you. And nani mwingine? He's doing business. Oh, sorry. So guys, he's doing business. Just hold a minute. We are coming back. Can we walk around? Your friend, eh? What's your name, friend? Where jina yako nani? You are Alex. Okay, what are some of the advantages and disadvantages of visiting Africa, also Kenya?
Advantages.
Yeah. And advantages.
Right now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Probably I would say only tourism and business. If you really want to venture into business and probably get into setting your own company in Kenya, it's much advisable.
Okay.
Disadvantages, we have very high taxes in Kenya, but we are working on that. That is why Gen Z.
Gen Z, everyone here in Kenya is talking about Gen Z.
Yes.
Okay.
We are working on it.
Okay, so the disadvantage is the taxes are a bit high, they are hiking everything. And do you think Kenya, the lifestyle here is expensive?
I can say it's fair.
It's fair, so it's not that
As for now,
expensive.
it's fair.
Okay.
Okay, apart from now the high taxes that are there, but we have affordable living.
You have affordable living. Oh, that's amazing.
And that's what we're doing. We're all investing.
Okay. So what can you advise someone who wants to visit Kenya?
Advice. It depends. If you're coming to tourism to visit the country, then we have one lecture that is there. We have a very good business and we have a very good destination points
Okay.
for the travelers who are coming to Kenya. Not you can come first.
Oh, you can come to invest. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, you want to discuss something? Thank you so much. So let's keep on walking around as we interact with more people. Hey, how are you doing? Thank you. Oh. Nini? Oh. Kuja upige hapa basi.
Anataka mcheze na yeye alafu mtumie hiyo. Yawezekana?
Ha?
Yawezekana?
Tutachukua tu. Mimi Claudia Walks. Simandikia hapo Claudia Walks. People are so happy here. Chapa kamoja. Claudia Walks. Uko fiti, uko
Smile. I love that golden eyes. It was that I don't lie. those coach, those bad guys. Oh no, shy flying on me. Nina Kenya kilishika mbafu ndefu. Ninafanya nicheka. Usafi kama bamba. Kiza kunangamba wezi msini. Aiji nidekuka hapa. Chana na ngumi cheka kumbi. Shope wanaona haya. Kwa TikTok tunapost ana. We ndio namba maiwana. Kine nyaya mama. Unanipa voltage sanyaya. Nasimamia vidole siamini. Toto ngozi aki yake laini. Omunda mara kama wa ena.
That's amazing. That's so amazing, guys. People here can sing. People here can sing. Make sure you have heard his voice. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel, right?
My YouTube channel is Madisha Miles everywhere.
Yes.
On my social media, Madisha Miles. Follow Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, also at Twitter, Madisha Miles.
Thank you so much, Madisha Miles. See you. Asante. Hi, how are you doing? You are good. Let me come to the other side because of the light. So today I'm on the streets. I want to know the advantages and disadvantages of visiting Africa.
You're from Africa?
I'm from Jamaica.
From Jamaica?
Yes, I'm from Jamaica, but currently living in Kenya.
What do you want to know about Africa?
The advantages. Maybe someone wants to come to Kenya, and he wants to know like maybe the pros and cons of visiting these countries.
Africans are very kind people. We love people.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we are so good.
Mm-hmm.
We like visitors.
Okay.
So when you go back to Jamaica, just tell them that Kenya and Africa, we are so good.
Oh, you're so good.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, apart from that, what else?
What else?
Apart from the people being good.
Our environment is better. Is everything for animals, for agriculture. We have good environment for everyone.
Okay.
So Africa is good generally.
It's good.
It's a nice place to stay.
And what are some of the disadvantages?
Yes, no, a lot of disadvantages.
No, a lot of disadvantages.
Yeah,
So
we are okay with Africa. You know, there's nothing perfect in this world.
okay.
So the way it was created, we are perfect with it too. Because God created everything, but nothing is perfect in this world. Africa is better, and we are good people.
Oh.
Yes.
So the way I've been interacting with some people here, the love I'm getting in. Don't forget that I'm from Africa. You guys, where?
And you're very beautiful.
Oh,
You are
thank
charming,
you.
you're very cute.
Thank you so much. You're so cute.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm Claudia, works pale kwa YouTube.
Thank you.
Mini content creator. So if you want to come to Eastleigh and you want a rider,
I am
he's
here.
around.
My name is Kim. I like people.
You are in Royal. Is it Royal Mall?
Mall Market, 11th Street,
Okay.
First Avenue.
If you ask for Kim,
Yeah.
Kim is always around.
I give you a good light, no complaint. I'm a very kind person.
Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you
Kim.
very much.
Okay, you guys, let's keep on walking. It's getting late, but anyway, we have to explore this street. Someone was calling me. I don't know where I have gone. Who was calling me? Someone was calling me, but anyway, Nakuja. So guys, let's keep on walking. We hear what people think about Africa. What are some of the advantages? Oh my God, the noise! Wow, too much noise. Too much noise. Oh, that's the live here, and we have to bear with it, guys. We have to bear with this kind of life here in Eastleigh. I know that the sun is too hot. Since morning it's been cold, but right now the sun is out. Yeah, and make sure you subscribe. So crazy, man. Right away.
Today I'm busy, man.
I know you are busy. I'm busy too.
Dada,
Fiti sana.
ndio umekuja?
Ndio nimekuja. Nimepotea. I've been up and down.
Ama ni Gen Z
Gen
generation.
Z. A lot of demos. Eating tear gas.
Haujaenda town.
Z. I can't.
Unapoenda town huko una record. Huko town 24/7.
24/7.
Ukienda kwa nyumba unaenda unalala.
Sawa. Okay, what are some of the advantages and the disadvantages of visiting Africa? Uzuri wa Afrika, ubaya wa Afrika.
Afrika hakuna ubaya.
Hakuna ubaya. Na uzuri?
Just comedy and comedy, laughing and laughing. Nobody is serious.
So in Africa, nobody is serious?
Nobody is serious.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else?
Those are the advantages.
Advantages?
Yeah.
So people are ever happy because of comedy?
Yeah. No one is serious.
No one is serious?
Yeah. Big percentage. Jokers.
Okay. Kenyans are jokers?
Jokers. Don't take things serious.
They don't take things serious?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Wacha nitembe tuonana.
Claudia works.
Claudia works. Still working. Actually, people know me here. Yeah. So guys, let's keep on working. People are shopping. The streets are a bit busy. Hi. So the reason why I'm on the camera like this is because of the lights. And also I want to go on to the other side there. Let's use this small route around here. Naenda kutafuta pesa. Anataka. Anasema? What are you saying? Sawa. So this is how everything looks like. Busy streets. Yeah. You can see a lot of utensils around here, so when you come to Eastleigh, Kenya, you can get everything here. If you have been watching me, I said that business here is 24/7. These guys, they don't sleep. Eastleigh people don't sleep, they overwork. 24/7 here. Once you come here, business 24/7. And also, remember that Eastleigh is occupied more so by Somali people. You can see around, You can't walk like 1 minute without seeing a Somali, even 2 seconds without seeing a Somali lady, maybe a Somali man. Yeah. Viti! Wacha nikuje. This guy is calling me. Tuko Claudia Works. Tuko kwa Claudia Works pale YouTube. Yes.
Nikuuzia top, mimi nauzanga top.
Unauzanga tops? Na si nimenunua tops kadhaa kwako. Mimi ni customer.
Kutoka lini? Sijai kuona.
Hujaniona? Mimi nimenunua tops 30. Sisi ni YouTube, YouTube tu.
Si citizen nini? Lakini nikuuzie.
Wacha nikuje next time.
Hakuna shida. Asante.
Sawa. Leo tunaongelelea advantages na disadvantages za kutembea Africa. What are some of the disadvantages and advantages of visiting Africa?
Yani business ama
maybe in business, since you are a businessman, you can since you are a businessman, you can talk about the business.
Mimi napenda kama biashara. Kama mtu anatembea, napenda wale wanatembea kwa biashara.
Okay. So if you're visiting Africa, business is good, right? What else apart from that? I think cheap here.
Fikiri kama kuna kitu kama ni biashara tu. Unajua saa hii
vitu ni rahisi huku.
Hapa. Uchumi ya Kenya saa hii iko juu.
Okay, the economy is high, things are are expensive. Hello. Everything is high. So thank you so much. Claudia works for YouTube.
Thank you.
Sawa sawa. Which route do I have to use? Wasalimie kidogo.
Mambo. Hi.
What are some of the advantages and disadvantages of visiting Africa?
Climate ndio mbaya.
Climate is bad.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Huku kuna jua kali sana.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
But this month I think it's cold.
No, just some months.
Some months, eh?
Just for work.
So the climate here is very, very bad.
Lack of money.
Oh, lack of money.
Very bad.
No money here in Kenya.
No money in Africa.
Oh my God.
Really?
No money.
No money.
Nini ingine? What else?
Only those two.
All the sorts too. So if you are coming to Africa, also Kenya, not
Come with
that.
money.
Come with money, no money
And
here.
come with dread for climate. Climate change.
Sawa sawa.
Sawa.
Piti. Poa poa.
And what are you on YouTube? Channel gani YouTube?
Claudia Walk.
Hakuna citizen YouTube.
Claudia Walk. Claudia Walk.
What is your name?
Hiyo ndio.
Yenu mena ngutume.
Ndio hiyo. Ndio TV yangu sasa hiyo Claudia Walk.
Okay.
Sawa. We are partners. Tutawasalimia. Yeah? Oh, msichana mrembo umesalimiwa. Hi. Sawa. Wanataka uambie Claudia Walk YouTube. Wanataka uambie the disadvantages and advantages of visiting Africa. Uzuri wa Afrika
iko fiti, hata uchumi kienda juu bado iko fiti.
Oh, even if the life goes up, Africa is good.
Yeah, it's good. You should visit here and see. Everything here is good, very good. Welcome.
But there is peace.
Mm.
Oh my God. So Kenya is safe.
Yeah.
Kenya is safe. So someone has said that in Africa we don't have money, but I can see you holding money.
Money or task. Pesa mingi.
Pesa or task?
Money.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
I'm Claudia, works for YouTube. Bye, mami.
Alright.
Wasalimie. Mwambie kitu for those who want to visit Africa.
Visit because Africa there is no harassing.
No harassing.
There is no tear gas.
No tear gas.
Next time.
Oh, thank you.
Lily, welcome. Kenya there is peace.
Kenya there is peace.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. And you,
We
mami?
love our president.
You love your president, but people have been complaining that the economy here is high, the taxes is hiking taxes and all that.
We pray to God. Coming years, it will change.
It will change. Thank you so much. Let's keep on praying and hoping for the best. I'm Claudia Works on YouTube, right? Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
So guys, let's keep on working. Bye. So let's keep on working as we interact with more people. Nitakuja. Yeah. People are complaining here, economy is good, it's bad. But anyway, it will depend. It should all depend. Hi. Hi, poa sana. Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa? Jeff. Thank you so much, Jeff. You have a nice smile. Oh my God. Anyway, today we are talking about advantages and disadvantages of visiting Africa. Hey. I'm an African, but they call me Jamaican girl.
Jamaican girl.
They call me Jamaican
You're
girl.
so cute.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you. Okay, wow. What are some of the advantages of visiting Africa?
There's also many in Africa. It's like good life.
Wildlife.
We have so many buildings, the largest buildings in Africa.
Okay.
For example, BBS Mall.
Wow.
In Sleep, where you
Oh,
are now.
where I'm at right now.
Yeah.
Okay. What else apart from that? Disadvantage? Maybe okay, but about the disadvantages.
Disadvantages. These are
let's say there's we don't have enough roads in Africa.
You don't have enough what?
Roads.
Oh, roads.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, another disadvantage.
Disadvantage is about floods.
Floods, eh?
Yeah, in Africa there's
You have a lot of floods here in Africa.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh my God, I didn't know that.
There's
But
so
now-
many floods in Africa. For example, when you go to Madare, there's so many floods there.
And in Kenya, right?
Yeah, in Kenya. I'm talking about Kenya.
Okay, and what are some of the takes your government is like, oh, sorry. Is your government taking action on those floods?
Some of these they are taking the actions, but when you see the others, they are not taking the actions.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube. Imagine utajiona kwa YouTube. Yeah.
What's your name on YouTube?
Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks ile ya kutembea. Haya, sawa sawa, asante. Bye. Too busy. Sorry. Maybe you want to say hi? No. It's okay, guys. Let's keep on working as we interact with more people. More. The music, everything. Oh, what are you good there? Hi.
Yes, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Tuko hapo Isli. Yes, tunajipamba. Tuko kwenye starehe. Jam ndio hiyo. Biashara inashika. Maisha ni mzuri. Maisha ni mbwekse. Yes, hapa hakuna story ya kusema uchumi ni mbaya.
Sawa.
Uchumi ni mzuri.
What's up, bro? Pita basi. People are so... Which route do I have to use? Let's keep on walking, guys. Like that. Huh? Oh, hi. Today people are so nice. People are so nice today. Guys, I have to be careful because you know what? The place is getting more populated. It's getting more populated here, so I have to be careful. Hi, you wanna say hi? Let me use this route. So guys, let me end this video at this moment because the streets around here they are congested and I think they are not safe. So make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.